Okay, we're recording. I swear, y'all, the devil is really trying to piss me off with this storage of my phone. We switched cameras because I'm not finna deal with iPhone storage issues. You're not finna get more money out of me. Not today. Wall, okay? This is the envisionment I had. Please, again, don't mind my room. Don't mind my room, you know? We're washing sheets today. Yes, my nightstands are cluttered. It's a lived-in house. Who's calling me? Who's calling me? Hello, mother. Okay, here I come. Brazil's trying to get in the house. Hello.
How was I supposed to open the door?
I'm so sorry. Thank you. Love a good Uber. Love a good Uber, okay? Grady's the best Uber, isn't she?
Yes.
Yes. Say hello to the people. Hi. How was school today?
It was good.
It was good? What'd you do today?
I forgot again.
Oh, you know, hey, who needs to remember? Okay. I have a project today. I'm hanging up curtains, so I'm gonna get your snack and then I'm gonna go back to work, okay?
Okay.
Gotta turn this music down. You know, YouTube don't like copyrights. Brazil likes Cinnamon Toast Crunch after school. Every day after school. It doesn't change at all. Is there a reason why you don't like any other snacks besides Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
I did like fruit snacks.
Fruit snacks.
Fruit.
Okay. I might have taken a fruit cup, but like gummies?
First sentence says real fruit. That's what it says. Real fruit.
They're lying to you.
It's protein.
Protein. I should make this easier on myself and just have this already like ready to go in the bowl so she can just grab it. One day I'm gonna be more proactive, okay? And make life easier for myself. Yes, I spilled milk on the counter. It's gonna wait, okay? It's gonna wait. I also have a P.O. box now. The P.O. box, if you would like to send anything, if I haven't responded to my business email, if you're sick of waiting, you know, I'm sorry. The P.O. box will be available on my Instagram, as well as I'm gonna post it in the video descriptions as well. So just feel free to send, you know, send whatever you like. Perfect. I love having a good nail, you know, it just perfect. Curtains, guys. I have some aloe vera that I needed to add into my mist bottle for my hair. My hair is a little dry right now. I had to spritz something on it. It's been in a ponytail all day. So please, if it's acting unruly on camera, don't judge it. Don't judge it. We in the starter phase. It's gonna do what it do. It's gonna do what it do. I'll also do another video updating my locks. I know I've had a lot of questions on how I'm doing with them so far. That's coming as well. Okay, we're gonna turn into Bob the Builder. Brit the Builder, you said? I got these curtains on Amazon. I'll link them down below. I'll link them down below if you like them. They have plenty of colors for you. I was going between purple and gold, and the deciding factor, you know, I asked my sister and she said, go with what you know. We sticking with purple. Purple is my favorite color, but I was having, I've been having some cheating emotions. I've really been feeling orange lately. I don't know what it is about orange, but orange has had me in a chokehold. And I did get them outrageously long because of course I'm outrageously tall. And I wanted them to hang way, you know, higher than my height. What do builders use? Pencils to measure? You know, it comes with anchors. Never in life have I learned how to use an anchor in the wall. I know I probably should, but it's not that kind of party, okay? We do with what we know. If it falls out, it falls out, you know? Tools needed for assembly. Pencil, tape measure, power. Is my power drill? Oh yeah, okay. I was just telling one of my friends, nerd, y'all know nerd stuff. I was just telling nerd stuff, you know, I really wish a company would start up called Rent-A-Man, okay? I would really enjoy a Rent-A-Man company to do all these useless tasks that I'm forced to do myself. Can I please just pay a man to hang up curtains? Take my car to get an oil change. Take out the trash. You know, let me pay you to do all this useless stuff. Okay, tape measure, power drill, pencil. I have a lovely 3-step ladder. Let me move this rug back because this step stool on this rug. Whew, I'm tired already, Jesus. Okay, here we are, hanging up curtain rods from this high. It's kind of crazy. I just don't want to step on that 3rd step. I'm gonna be honest with you. That's a terrible line. Now the rod. The rod is a curtain rod I had already inside of the garage. It is one of the same rods as the one that my curtains are hanging on in my bedroom, okay? Let's at least see if it's gonna be, it definitely is. It is wide enough. Perfect length rod. You know, we're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting somewhere. We're still alive. We haven't broken any bones, but I do feel as though I'm gonna have to step on the top ladder. Oh, this is frightening. Okay. This thing says it holds 350 pounds. You know, I should not buckle on top of this thing. You know, if I do and I crack my skull, please sue the company.
You look like you're in a movie.
I do?
Yeah.
Do I look cool?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Let's see if I can, oh Lord, hold this with one hand. Oh. That's a little off, but ooh Lord, okay.
That probably hurts.
This gonna be crooked, this gonna be crooked. Other side.
You're a fashionista.
Ouch. Dang. You said put on some socks and some shoes?
No, I said you're a fashionista.
What? Okay, here we go. Round 2 with the line we made. This one can come all the way across. Oh, this gonna be crooked. No, this is what I'm gonna do now. Can you do me a favor, Brazil?
Yeah.
Hold this. Put this at the top of the thing right here. Now, please hand me 2 screws. Count them. 2 right there. No, follow. Excuse me. There's a little plastic baggie next. Yeah. Okay. 2 screws.
Why are you talking like that? That does not make any contact.
Okay. Ooh. Is it reversing?
No.
Why is it wiggling like that?
Are you scared or something?
Yes. Am I inside of a steel pipe? Why is it not? You said I should have checked for studs. We're not that professional. Where's Rent a Man when we need it? Oh, okay.
Great.
Ow! Oh, this is terrible. Oh, never mind. Oh, we got action. We got action, y'all. We got action. Oh, y'all.
You literally just broke
What happened
it.
to my screwdriver?
You broke it.
The whole thing that went inside.
You pushed it in.
That's why it wasn't even staying. Okay.
You pushed
Let's you know, let's reconvene. Let's reconvene for let's see. Woo! Okay.
Let's revive.
I gotta figure out what we did wrong here. Oh, okay. Assistant, second screw. Excellent, excellent. Ah! We're stable. We're stable, okay? I feel like, you know, we already halfway there. We're already halfway there. Come on.
If you need more nails, oh, these are long nails.
Assistant, you're supposed to have my other nail. Oh, I think we hit something. Never mind. We're going. Keep going.
It looks a bit off to me.
You know?
It's off. It's way higher. It's higher.
Hand me the rod. Let's see how uneven we actually are. Oh! Wait a minute. I'm too far out. I'm too far out. Too far out.
Okay, you're not that even.
Are we in business?
Yes.
Whoa! Yes! Okay. Woo! It's doing what needs to be done. Let's insert the rod I should have did this before I got up here. Pristine focus to balance on a stool while weaving curtains onto a rod. Okay. Looper in here. Oh Lord, my screw coming out. Oh Jesus. I should have used the anchor. I should have used the anchors. We in there. Let me give y'all the full experience. Hold on. We have a backdrop, guys. We have a backdrop. So I can now try on clothes for you, Okay? I can try on clothes. The videos are coming. Thank you for watching this one. See you in the next one. Say goodbye, assistant. Now.
No.
Say goodbye.
No.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye, for instance. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.